everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and today I've got a quick Gmail tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to block someone on Gmail and automatically delete their emails. It's really quite simple to set up, so let's dive right into it. Now I've got this test email that I'm using for this. This is just my other account, so we'll test it out here at the end. But to get into the settings here in Gmail, that would be our first step. Head up to the very top right-hand corner. You'll see the little gear, and when you hover over it, it says Settings. You can go ahead and left-click on that with your mouse, and that'll open up your quick settings. But here it says see all settings. You can go ahead and select that. That'll open up all the main settings here in Gmail. Now up at the top, you'll see a whole bunch of different tabs, and we're looking for the one here that says filters and blocked addresses. If you select that, it'll give you some options here. And right here at the top, it says the following filters are applied to all incoming mail. So this is what we want. There's an option right here in blue that says create a new filter. So you can go ahead and select that. This is where we would start to put in the information of the email address that we would like to block. So right here it says from, and this is where you would type in the email address that you're trying to block and automatically delete. I'm just going to paste it in there. So we'll just paste it in. You can go ahead, type it in. Once you've got that in there, down here towards the bottom of this box, you'll see it says create a filter or create filter. You can go ahead and select that. And this will give us a whole bunch of options that we can apply to that email address. So skip the inbox, mark as read, star it, apply a label, forward it. And the one we're looking for here is delete it. So you can go ahead and find that. And there's a little checkbox next to it. So go ahead and check it with the left mouse button. And once you've done that, you'll see an option here that says create filter. You can go ahead and create that, and it'll create that filter for you here. So you can see the email address and it'll delete it. If you do want to edit it, you can do that over here on the right. Or if you want to let that person's emails come through again, you can also delete it right here. So if you want to get rid of it, it's really easy to do. So let's head out to my inbox here and test this out. And I'll jump over to the other account here and we'll compose a new email. And we'll just call this test 2, and I'll go ahead and send that. And we'll jump back over to Gmail here, and we'll find our trash can here on the side. And if we left click on that, there it is. It went directly into the trash, which is what we were looking to do. And really it's that simple to block someone here on Gmail and automatically send their email to the garbage. So hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.